Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will have subscriber on review. So this tool promises to create long-form YouTube scripts with hooks and storytelling techniques designed to go viral. It has pretty good amount of positive reviews from the start, so it says it is an alternative to TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Well, I think not exactly, because these tools provide keyword research capability, and subscriber is tailored to provide perfect YouTube scripts for your audience. It will also analyze top channels, videos, and topics to generate new ideas. It will help you with the opportunities. It will help you to create strategic videos and capture the brand voice. Yeah, and regarding the plans, I think the license tier 1 does not make any sense, because just for $100 you get everything unlimited. Yeah, so I think it makes sense to start with license tier 2. And regarding the credits, I can see for the scripts up to 1,600 words, about 10 minutes length, the cost is 5 credits. Okay, so I have added my Crowded Lab YouTube channel, which is focused mostly on lifetime deals reviews. Let's see what can we get from this tool. Let's first create our script. Okay, so let it be educational. So the audience, the tool identified on its own small business owners and entrepreneurs who are seeking efficient software solutions. Okay, yep. And well, let's create the script. So let's start the research. It prompts me to add some additional materials. Okay, let's say I am too lazy to add any resources myself, and let's move next. Okay, it suggests me to pick from one of the proven techniques. Let's use this frame, problem solution benefit, and move to the title. Okay, I like this one. Let's go to the thumbnail. That's actually a pretty nice area, and I have hopes for this one, but let's see how it will go. Okay, let's pick this one and go to the hook. Let's say I like this second one. Move next. Okay, key points to cover. Actually, all of these are very good topics to cover. Okay, I think that's enough, and let's draft. Let's generate outline and draft. Okay, so we can have additional actions for our draft, but let's see what do we have. So we can do the research. Okay, it will make sense when we have added our research sources. Okay, we have our introduction ready. We have different parts for our video. We have the conclusion. We can request AI feedback on the generated draft. So we identified the areas of redundancy. Okay, let's apply all AI edits. Let's review. All right. Yep. So for the thumbnail, we are getting only the brief, unfortunately. And actually, here's the detailed brief. So these are previous thumbnails. So yeah, I think you would be able to get that into some image generation software or just for designer, or get ideas for yourself to generate thumbnails like this one, which is pretty nicely structured. Okay, so we can publish our script, we can generate the description, we can generate tags. We have different versions like SEO focused, in narrative style, informative style. We have tags generated. And yeah, by clicking this link, you will be pointed to your YouTube studio. Alright, so yep, that's how you generate the script. You can also define the audience persona. So looking at this avatar, you can identify better topics and answer the questions which are related to the average persona who is viewing your videos. For example, how can I manage my business finances more efficiently? So these are questions which are relevant to the audience of my channel, like what are the best software tools for small businesses? How do I choose the right project management tool? Common mistakes using business software? How can I stay updated on business technologies? Improve productivity, tools that can help with customer relationship management. I think that's a great feature. So regarding voice, let's generate preview. Yep, I think you can edit it however you like. Okay. You can add the resources for the research. You can fine-tune the settings like the target length of your scripts and the target audience. Let's see what kind of tools we have. Video breakdown. So let's actually break down my own video. We are getting the number of views, average views per minute, I believe. The detailed information, potential audience, title, the analysis of the open hook, curiosity gaps. Yep, so that's how you can analyze the videos, like good performing videos. Let's see what other tools we have. And actually, I mentioned that this tool is not having keyword research capability. Maybe I was wrong. Let's try to generate keywords. Okay, so I believe it is not exactly doing the research, it is trying to give you the ideas for the keywords. And you can view that on YouTube and verify it on your own. Alright, so I think that's it for the review of the subscriber. Oh, just one more feature, open chat. So, for example, you would like to attract more subscribers, like any YouTuber, I believe. So, let's see what can we get. I see it, well, it is nicely structured, that's a plus. However, it gives the general content strategy framework. Let's ask the direct question to suggest 5 next videos for my channel to attract more subscribers. Okay, again, it is giving the general suggestions, not for my channel. Okay, but anyway, it is good that you have the ability to chat with an assistant, though I would expect to be able to chat about specifically the channel that was connected. Okay, so that's it for the subscriber review. I like that this tool is nicely built. I didn't see any glitches, any errors. It has pretty positive rating and it looks nice. It is pleasant to use. So the additional features like chat didn't work so well for me. However, I liked the flow of the YouTube script generation. So you can tweak the tool for your needs, for your brand voice. And I liked the persona generated for your YouTube audience. So you can serve your audience better as a content creator. So you can create the content that appeals to your audience. And I think, yeah, Subscriber is a very nicely built software. Alright, to get the Subscriber, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.